Okay guys, back with another bonsai. Here we got a Juniper Sargent Green. So I don't know what this like little weed thing is here, but yeah, we got this bonsai here. We're gonna clip this back and see what we can do and see if we can create something nice. First off, I'm going to get rid of this weed thing. I don't know what this is, but pretty sure it's not needed, so this is gone. And then I want to just kind of look at it here and see what it looks like. I don't think I want to take it out of the pot, but maybe I will so we can get a look at see what the bottom of it looks like. There's lots of stuff going on in here. Oh, wow. Okay. So as we can see here in the front, there's a trunk that comes up, angles across, goes this way, and keeps going up around. Then there's a couple of shoots that come straight up, but this one here also comes across this way. I like the way those two look, so I think I'm going to remove these other shoots that are in the way here. I don't think I need those, so let's just open that up to start with. Something's up there. Let's clean that up. I think this one as well will have to go. I don't think I need that one on there. Cut that clean off. I wonder if I can make a cutting with this. I'm not sure. We're gonna maybe we'll test it out. So now you see that's opening up here in the center. Alright, so now what we're looking at here. Now, I like the way all this kind of looks. We're going to take this one off. Just keep it going out that way. Let's take a look around this side over here. Let's see. Okay, after further inspection on this one here, so we do have the trunk that comes up and splits apart here and goes this way. These two back branches pretty much come straight out. If I can pull this down, you can see it. They're right here. Here's one that goes to the middle. And then this larger one here goes to the bottom. I don't think I need either of those two. I think they take away from it, so I'm gonna remove those right now. Cut that one a little short, maybe I can make some dead wood out of that. That one's got a little nub on there. So now what we looking like? This one's obviously in the way, so let's get rid of him right now. We'll cut him all the way back. And you see how open that is now. All right, so here I was looking at the tree. As you see, you can see through. There's two distinct trunks here. But if I cover this one up, and you see how it is, and like this is, see how it goes out this way. That shoots over there. Let's look at it from the inside. So if I would hide that one, you have the pad over here, and then you have over here is a whole separate. So I'm definitely gonna cut these off. I think I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna leave that knot there, but I'm gonna take these off. Yeah, I like that way. Now as far as this one is concerned, you have a couple of straight guys coming out here, but you see this is there's a lot of shoots coming off of this limb here and off of this one. So I'm going to cut this one back. Let's do that again. Yeah, right up to the end, I think. Let's take it off of this side as well. Ones that are shooting straight up don't seem to look as nice. Take them back like that. The wind's starting to pick up out here. That's nice. And this one here, I was going to think about maybe shaping that back to the middle, but I'm going to take it off. The kids are back with the Arizonas, which is definitely cool. It's hot out today, so I need some hydration. Alright, so I'm back. So you see what we got so far here. I mean, it's two sides, split trunk basically. And I got off of here, I got this one off of here going that away. Got this one up here. And I got this whole limb over here doing it. I want to thin them back just a little bit more. I'm going to keep this one here. I'm going to keep this one as well. I think I'm even going to keep this one in here too. I like that one. Maybe that'll help stimulate growth on that. I feel like I should just take this one off right now. No wrong cuts, remember? Isn't that what they say? Yeah, it's gone. Bam. I'm just gonna clean it up around the main part of the limb, the branch. So here I just cleaned it up a little bit more, but see how this one comes up, a little bit of angles there, then comes over. I like that, but I think maybe I should remove this one that's behind it, so that shows that even more. So let's remove that now, bam. Yeah, I like the way that, I think that movement is very, very beautiful. Let's take off this straight one at the end here. There we go. I think that works. Maybe I should remove this one as well. There we go. There we go. So you see how that is. I'm liking that a lot. I think we're good on this side. Peel some of this back just a little bit. Now for this side, I think that looks good on that side. I think we're going to let that side go as it is and see how these all start to thicken up and move and whatnot. Got a little bit of scraping off of here. That'll make deadwood. This right here, that's going to be good for deadwood right there. So, yeah. This one. I don't know which way I like to see it from on this one, so I think I want to keep that. Maybe we can get something to shoot out there. It'll start getting hard on that. And maybe I should take this one off here. You can see what it would look like without it. Interesting design there. Let's take out the middle one. If we did that, it'd be like that. Maybe two splits, or I think we should definitely keep that line there. You know what? I think we're going to keep all of them. Let's keep all those over there. We'll keep this the way it is right now. And next we're gonna check the root structure and see what it looks like, you know, right here at the top, right at the base of the trunk. So let's do that now. We got the perfect gloves on for such a scenario. So let's go handle this. Just gonna scrape some of this out of here. Dump it in here, I think. So let's just comb these back. See what we look like in here. Right, looks like the roots look like they're pretty radial for the most part. I'm making a mess over here, by the way. Don't tell the wife. Don't tell the wife. So as you see, there's roots coming out this way here. On this side, there's roots coming out this way here, there. So yeah, it's pretty radial. So I like the way it looks. We're gonna put it right back in the same pot though. I just want to see what they look like. Just combed them out a little bit, got it down a little deeper in there. I'm cool with that. Let's get some of this soil back in here. And we'll just let it grow. I'll let this grow just like this. Let it do what it does. Just like this, we'll let it do what it does. Next time we come back, we will open up all this. This will be about, I don't know, next year. Yeah, it'll be next year sometime. I did break some roots, unfortunately, but that's okay. That's okay. Plenty of roots on there for it to live and survive. They will heal. That one's only going to be end up cutting that one anyway because it's going back into the root ball, unless I can comb it all the way out. But yeah, that's what we look like. So get some soil back in there. Go for today's bonsai. Again, this is the juniper, Sargent green. What is it? Juniper Sargent green. So we'll watch this as time goes on. We'll see what it looks like as it grows, as it gets stronger. I think this is going to be the back where it comes to you. I think it's better maybe when it goes away because you can see those. You see the lines better. So I think this will be the front when I go to put in a pot. So yeah. Until then, yeah. Another bonsai done. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button. Smash that joint. And please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.